welcome to Technical Wi-Fi Guru channel. In this session we will discussing about how to learn Python in 15 days along with good example and real-time practical assignments in Python. Before I start the session, introducing myself, my name is Lakshman Shetty. In this video I will provide for a complete tutorial about of Python programming language. It should be completely free for all. I hope this video can helpful for graduate students. In the first day in our class, we will discussing about introducing the Python. What is Python, features of Python, why we are using, where we can use, and this type of all things we will discussing in first day. And moving forward in the second day, here I can explain about variables in Python and fundamental data types like int, float, complex, bool, string. These 5 fundamental data types we are discussing with good example in the second day. In the third day, we are going to discussing about strong data types like list, tuple, dictionary, set, and frozen set. Python is a dynamically strong data type programming language. Here, strong typing means that the type of a value doesn't change in unexpected ways. Every change of Python types requires an explicit conversion. And dynamic in type means that runtime object values have types as opposite typing where variable have type. And fourth day we are talking about operators. In operators support for Python is the following types of operators: arithmetic, comparison, assignment, logical, bitwise, membership, identifier. These are all 7 operators will discussing in fourth day. In the fifth day I will explain about loops concept in Python like for loop, while loop, nested loop. Basically for loop it is used for iterating over a sequence like. And sixth day we are going to functions. A function is a block of code which is only run when it is called. The functions topics are we are going to discussing deeply in sixth day. And seventh day in the day will be learn most important topics. OOPS concept. OOPS is nothing but objective oriented programming language. Is a method of structuring program by bundling related programming and behaving into individual objects, and create a class and create a objects, and also model system which is class inheritance. Basically in OOPS concept here you will be better to understand and practice with inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism. These are all are things. In the 8th day, let's here talk about iterators and generators and decorators. For 9th day, we will go to file handling and exception handling with try and finally keywords. And finally 10th day you will be learn getting more clarity in modules. And 11th day we will practicing in interview modules, questions and answers. Like between 12th to 15th day we are working with real-time projects. Thank you for watching video, and please do subscribe and press bell icon. Thank you.